Honorable Speaker, sir, today I'm not going to make a regular statement. I would like to touch upon two issues. Forget that I'm Chief Minister for 19 years, or that I'm the President of the Biju Janata Dal. As a senior member of this House, I would humbly like to mention something. Politicizing any human tragedy, especially related to women, is inhuman. Let me tell you, this kind of politics will never give any returns. We are a mature democracy. We represent the 4.5 crore people of Odisha. Let us set high standards of political discourse, both in the assembly and outside. Rape, murder, death of women are extremely tragic events. Politicizing them multiplies the trauma and gives a very wrong message to the people at large, and young people in particular. In case anyone is not satisfied with investigation, there are legal fora for relief. As Chief Minister, let me assure the House, crime against women is one of the topmost priorities, and we will leave no stone unturned to ensure that justice is done. Let me assure that any case of neglect, especially relating to women and children, will not be spared. Exemplary action will be taken. Due to prompt and professional investigation in 4 sensational cases of rape and murder of minor girls, death penalty has been awarded to the accused persons under the POSCO Act. Further, there is an increase in the conviction rate in red flag cases, which has gone up to 41.48% in the year 2019. With all humility, I would like to express my deep concern. Let us not politicize tragedy related to women and children. People are the soul of democracy. The hallmark of good governance is citizen satisfaction. Mo Sarkar is an important transformative initiative under the 5T Charter of Governance. Under Mo Sarkar, the phone number of every petitioner visiting the police station is recorded and random calls are made to take feedback about their experience in the police station. I have personally made more than 300 phone calls, and in the system more than 2,500 calls have been made. Let me inform this august House that there's been a huge transformation in service delivery at the police station. We are all aware that this transformational initiative will certainly increase the reporting and registration of cases. I want to send a message to all police functionaries. Do your job with commitment, without fear or favor. Do not bother about statistics of registration. Let me place on record, for my government, people are more important than statistics. The overall law and order crime situation in the state has largely remained under control, and there's been a huge improvement in the left-wing extremism situation in the state. I had made a commitment to the people of Odisha on this August the 15th, that 1 year from now, by August 15th, 2020, people will have a choice whether to visit government offices or not for any service entitlement. Other than places where statutory requirement is there, people will have a choice to avail the services online through common service centers or door delivery. This is one of the biggest targets we had taken up for the government under the 5T Charter. The next big transformation we would like to achieve is payment of wages through banks in all works of the state government. This is another huge target of 5T. People, especially poor laborers, will be hugely benefited by this. Under the 5T Charter,